to our channel again. Today in this very important video, we're going to understand one of the most important, most important trading indicator, which is super trend, right? So super trend basically used to identify the valid trend and when the trend is actually start and when the trend is actually end on the calculations of super trend. So basically, if you want to plot super trend, so you have to just simply go to the indicator portions and search about it. Here you will see the super trend, right? So if I will plot super trend in my chart, so that it is look like that. So if you want to make your super trend a little bit faster, and if you want to give it a more accurate and a more risky and a more fast result than this ATR 10 and the factor 3 would do, you have to just by default the ATR length will be 10 and factor will be 3, but I would recommend you to change that. ATL length turn it into 20 and factor turn it into 2. So after like that, here it will give you a proper signal like that. Okay, so that becomes a little bit of fast and that will change you the movement a little bit faster before the market before the 10-3 would give you, right? So if you want to read the definitions of it, so carefully read it. Super trend is a following technical in trend following technical indicators that helps the trader identify the current market directions and potential buy or sell signals. Right. So if you as we know in the market that there is a three kind of trend which has happened. The first is downtrend, uptrend, and then sideways. For downtrend market, when the price is constantly moving downward, and for uptrend market when the price is constantly moving upward, and in the sideways market, so sideways market basically the combinations of uptrend market and downtrend market, a short uptrend and downtrend market. So if I will exactly tell you that this is the positions of a completely sideways market, right? So this is a completely sideways market. How I can identify it? Because I can see that this is the uptrend started, but again the downtrend, again uptrend, again downtrend, again uptrend, again downtrend, again uptrend. If it will happen and again a downtrend, if it would be happen, then this is a very clear sideways market for us, right? And you should and you shouldn't have to trade into a sideways market, because when you think that the price will go up, and the sideways market is actually when the price is actually going to down, and when you will actually end up taking the place of selling trade when the price is actually moving upward, right? So most of the trader in forcefully enter into the market, forcefully try to enter into the market, and they have got end up actually in the sideways market. And as we can know that 70 to 80% of the time market is on the sideways, and approximately 20 to 30% of the time market is actually giving us a big move, right? So your goal should be, your goal have to be just to capture this big move. Do not uh, you know do not fall into the trap of sideways market, because that is the time when most people loses their money. Okay, so let's read it one. So it is calculated using the ATR, which is also called average true rate. So your question comes is, what is ATR? So don't ask for me, just put the indicator here, average true range. Just click it, and here is something which is on your screen in that red this light. Okay, so if you knew about what is ATR, so you can consider it. Basically, if I have to tell you that the ATR current price is 164, and if you see that there is no end of ATR, right? So there is the middle positions. If I would plot a middle position right there, so if I would see it is 0.50. So let me just, yes, if I will plot a line here, and if basically it gives you so it doesn't matter actually. Basically, if you can see and you can adjust with the ATL line. So if the ATL line is above the 150 line, so that gives us a strength of the trend, right? So, and similarly, for the downtrend also, it will not go downside. It will go upside. So it basically tells us the strength of the trend. Okay, so irrespective of the downtrend or uptrend, if the trend is like that uptrend, so it will go like up. And if the trend is downtrend also, and if the trend is strong, then it will also go like up. Okay, so it basically tells us the power of the trend. So that is actually what is called a ATR. So we'll obviously make a video on it in the later times. So it is not used, but for the here is mentioned ATR. So I have to show you. My duty is I have to show the indicator also, right? So which measures the market volatility. So it ATR gives you average prudence, actually gives you the volatility of the market, how the smart money people who actually run the market, who actually like think. So they have also used ATR on their daily basis. You can consider it also. When the price above the super trend line, it usually indicates a bullish trend. So if I will show you, then when it is actually the green signal is actually starting, so that is the time when if you have to just buy from here, then you can capture the whole trend. And similarly, it gives you the signal from here. If you sell here, you can buy that small profit, also for the uptrend, also for the downtrend. So when it is like looking like green, you have to just buy. When it's looking like red, you have to just sell. That is actually its tell. Right, so bullish trend while trading below it suggests a bearish trend. Traders use the super trend indicator to follow trends to stop loss levels and identify potential entry and exit point. So it also gives you put the potential entry and exit point. If I can show you here, then if you have just buy from here, okay, so I have to just plot a this here. So plot a long positions, and on the basis of this super trend, if I took place a trade on here, then I can capture this move, right? If let's say my buffer is like that, so I can easily capture the 4.38 risk to reward ratio. And again, if you want to capture a short kind of trade, so this is a short trend. So if I have to just go to the short positions, and let's say this is an inverse hammer candle and I would like to entry from here, and this could be my potential trade. I could easily capture that. And also on the current market, if the on the basis of super trend, so it gives me a buying signal, because extremely sorry, it gives me the buying signal because it just I okay, just make it 20 and 2 for a little bit of fast. Okay, so it gives us a buying signal, because if you see from here, then this is the surwat of uptrend. So I have to just trade in a lock positions. If I enter, let's say, middle of the candle, my stop loss would be like that, for like that. And if my luck is on a favor and the super trend actually gives, I would actually plan a 1 is to 2.5 risk to reward ratio on the trade. Okay, so that would be my pretty trade on the basis of super trend. And you can actually back testing your strategy, and you can actually see the integration of super trend in your strategy will actually benefit you very much, right? So I think you get it. And if you have any query, you can ask them in the comment sections. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.